What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we've got this box here, and in this box are these. These are hockey pucks. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make some lift pucks for the Fisker. I already got one made. We've got to make 3 more, and literally all we need are some furniture bumpers and the puck. That simple. Center it up. Get it right in the center where you need it. Get the screw. Pop the screw in it. Drill it in. Boom. We're done. Pucks complete. 2 more to go. And just like that, we have the pucks ready for the Fisker Ocean. You can leave all 4 of these in your car in case you need to go to a shop and get your car put on a lift. You've got the products right here needed. So I'm going to show you on the Fisker where those go. So this is what it looks like while it's in use. You've got the puck sitting right there. It's sitting up in the spot. We're going to go to the back side here and show you what that space looks like. All right, so there's the location right there, and this is your puck. Your puck is going to sit right in here like so. Jack's going to sit underneath, or the lift is going to sit right here so that you don't crunch or crack this right there. But it's that simple to make your pucks, or you can buy a set of pucks, whatever it is. But this is what you're going to need to lift up your vehicle. All right, so while we have this vehicle lifted up, for anybody who's interested in putting on an aftermarket setup on your Fisker, here are the specs for the wheel. So since we've got the wheel off, we can see here we've got a 22 by 8.5 with an offset of 40, and I believe the bolt pattern for this is a 5 by 114.3. And when you're putting your wheel back on, the torque specs for this wheel is 140 Newton meters or 103 foot-pounds. So there you have it. Fisker wheel, lift pucks. That's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.